There are several different kinds of maps that can be added to your app, most of which work with the end user's mobile GPS to guide them to points of interest associated with your topic. Here's a quick look at this template. Begin, as always, by clicking the Add Screen button and dragging the Maps template to the workspace. Then, click the green button to reveal its properties and editors. You'll notice there are 4 options you can choose from: Specific Location, Search Location, Best Route, and Nearby Places. This is important. Whichever option you select, you must first allow access. Make sure you click this button before continuing. The first option simply allows you to put a specific location on the screen. It will open your current location by default, but that can be changed easily. The next option allows the end user to find a specific location themselves. Using this option only requires you to select the option. The end user will be adding a location of their choosing. This option allows the end user to find best routes between 2 locations. Once again, the end user will enter their own start and end points. They can map the best route by car, mass transit, or even by walking. The last option allows the end user to find nearby places by category. The end user can select a number of types of places and see exactly where they are. As always, when you're done, don't forget to name and save your screen. These interactive maps can be used in a variety of ways. Consider how the options might make your app more powerful.